Your Future helps schools around the UK to save money and cut their carbon emissions with free solar panels. Pedmore Technology College was the 100th school to be installed on the programme, so some of the team came to visit the school and teach the students more about what it takes to install solar panels. Firstly, they look at the school's roofs from a computer and decide how big they are, what type of angle they have, what direction they face, how much sun they'll get, and if there are any buildings or trees in the way. Then the school is visited to survey all the buildings so they can check all the measurements, look close at the roof and make a design for the school. They need to check all the structure too to make sure everything is safe and do something called an EPC test, which tells them how environmentally friendly the building is. Once they've calculated how the sun revolves around the school, the design can be completed and then they can install the panels. This can take a few days, but afterwards means the school no longer has to rely on burning fossil fuels for all of its energy. So it's no wonder so many schools across the UK have joined the programme. It also saves money, which means the school can buy more things for the students. And the best part is that all the panels are free. The school only pays for the electricity that they make from the sun, and that costs less than normal electricity, which is getting more expensive every year. After the presentation, everyone had lots of questions, and the class split into groups of project managers, environmental scientists and engineers to investigate more. The engineer showed everyone how he makes the designs and taught the class how to work out what the panels can save the school. Pedmore has a 50 kilowatt system, which means 200 panels on the roof. This produces a lot of electricity each year, but it's easier to think of as enough to power 500 TVs, 65,000 cycles on a washing machine, or 200 fridge freezers running for a year. It's also saving a lot of carbon emissions, the same amount produced by 5 cars running 12,500 miles a year. All the team taught us that when we grow up, we'll be the ones making the big decisions in how we get our electricity. So the class all made posters to tell everyone why they should switch to renewable energy. The message of the day was that if we all make small changes to help the environment, then together we can make a difference.